Why doesn't Tesla advertise? Most of the companies depend on advertising to inform and market their products to customers. But Tesla is not in the list. You won't see any Tesla ads anywhere, not online, not on the radio, and not even on a television, where most companies spend millions for a single ad. An estimated amount spent for a 30-second spot is $5 million. In 2020, GM spent around $2.7 billion in advertising and promotions. Hyundai spent $2,000 per vehicle in 2019, but Tesla is nowhere to be seen in the chart of companies spending on advertising. Here the question arises that why Tesla doesn't run ads? Why it doesn't persuade consumers to buy its electric cars? Back in the day, Tesla couldn't keep up with the demand and no advertising was needed. Tesla customers had to wait for years for their desired car orders. Model 3 is the most affordable model yet, and when Tesla launched it, million people watched it on Tesla's YouTube channel. The CEO suggested that they have received around 250,000 orders of electric pickup without any advertising in less than a week later of its launch. Elon tweeted, "Tesla does not advertise or pay for endorsements. Instead, we use that money to make the product great." Tesla's research and development budget has been rising over the years, whereas GM's has recently been dropped slightly in 2020. Although it spends a lot more on advertising unlike Tesla. The reason behind Musk's company focus on design, testing, and engineering is that if you build the best car, the product will speak for itself or have others to speak about it for free. Many celebrities and influencers have spoken about the company, which is enough penniless advertising for Tesla. Musk doesn't share good relations with media. He criticized media and tweeted, "Problem is journos are under constant pressure to get maximum clicks and earn advertising dollars or get fired." Tricky situation, as Tesla doesn't advertise, but fossil fuel companies and gas diesel car companies are among world's biggest advertisers. Most of the companies use PR departments to communicate information to journalists, whereas Tesla is in favor of communicating directly with the public via social media. Musk believes in the power of social media. Tesla, however, depends on its website for sales.